How's it going, everyone? This is Kevin. Today I want to bring you along with me to show you what's in my camera bag whenever I go on trips for photography and videography purposes. So let's jump right into it. So here is my camera bag open. I kind of obviously had to open it to get this camera that I'm filming with, but I got my drone, the Mavic Air 2, with some spare batteries over here. I got my 7180 Tamron lens, because it's very good to be able to take photos from afar since pandemic and all. Don't want to bother people. Got my Sony A7RIII. I'm filming with my Sony A7 III, so that's why you can't see it. Got my 35mm lens Sigma, because if I'm only going to bring out one lens when I'm walking around, I'll probably just bring this one anyway, because it's very versatile. And I currently have my Tamron 20mm lens, using it for the filming part. Got my microphone and everything. And we got the little pouch with all the good old filters that I use for, well, filmmaking and whatnot purposes. And also got this little trusty dandy disposable camera that my wife gave me for a Christmas present to just kind of get our memories into, you know, this little film and develop them later on. So I'm going to be using this for some street photography too, so it'll be kind of cool. Alright, so we're gonna head on out and try to see what we can capture today. It is very rainy and cold and windy, so I'm not taking my drone out because, well, it's not the proper conditions for that. But everything else I'm bringing with me to see what I can create with each lens and just kind of, you know, have some fun taking photos and using the gear that I brought. So this is my setup right here. You can even see yourself in the screens a little bit. Not really. It's hard to angle it. I guess I could do it like that or something. But anyways, this is what we're going out with, and time to go create. Gotta get that elevator light. Wow, it is actually rather bright. There we go. Now we're looking like we're A+. Time to get out into the cold. Yay. Alright, so we're gonna park right here, and I'm gonna switch over to some POV footage, just, you know, take some photos while we're outside, because it is kind of raining. I don't want to have two cameras out, so here we go. What? Yeah. What do you think is the best brand? What do you know what you kind of want in it, or just anything? Because if I do like a lower angle, it'll look cool. So here, go over there. How you like them, and then I mean, I'm gonna be here anyway, so yeah, no problem. Yeah. Do it again real quick, because I forgot that I had it on manual mode. And go. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting right here. Yeah. I'm waiting for them to cross as well, just to see if I can get a photo of them crossing. Good down. Oh, look at the eyeball. Hey, keep your phone there. Damn the man, why are you here? Let's see if I can get him more from dead center. Oh, come back. Stand right there. Yeah, because I'm just gonna like... I want to take a photo of that back there. It looks kind of cool. Yeah, they're right there. And we're back in the car because it was freaking cold and a lot of rain, and kind of, you know, don't want to put my wife through that too much. But it was kind of cool to just go out and shoot in the rain. I haven't really done that like at this extent, so it was kind of cool to put this little bad boy through a little bit of a weather extremities, if you will, for myself, because usually I'm very like careful about it, don't want it to be too crazy. But yeah, I decided to only use my 35mm lens just because I didn't have time to really switch around lenses and everything like that, just mainly because, well, it's raining, don't feel like getting myself too wet anyway. So yeah, this is my little setup for the POV. So if you're wanting to do the POV the cheap way, instead of having to buy a GoPro, just buy a little phone harness. And I've been using my iPhone 11 with mainly the Moment app because it stabilizes it, so it makes it a little bit better, hopefully. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the shots. Pretty fun to go out and shoot in the rain. Downtowns are pretty fun to take photos because it's kind of hard to miss to make good photos, but really enjoyed the time here. So, but with all that said and done, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, share this video with a friend, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.